Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing your laptop and connecting to Wi-Fi. First, make sure the battery is charged or plug-in. Unstable power interrupts downloads. Next, click the network icon in the taskbar or menu bar and scan available SSIDs. Choose one with strong signal. Once selected, enter the correct password carefully. Mismatched characters are the most common failure. After connecting, set the network as private for trusted locations so sharing works properly. Once done, open a browser to verify connectivity immediately. Once connected, you configure the browser and name resolution to make internet use reliable. Start by updating your browser. New versions fix bugs and improve performance. Then, change DNS in network settings to a reputable provider like 1 or 8. This often reduces page load time and prevents some censorship. Next, enable HTTPS only or secure connections and turn off intrusive pop-ups to protect sessions. Finally, sign into essential accounts such as email or cloud. You finish by testing and securing the connection, plus a key troubleshooting tip. First, run a speed test to confirm upload/download rates match expectations. This tells you if the ISP or local congestion is the issue. Always enable a VPN on public networks and verify your firewall and antivirus are active to prevent intrusions. If pages fail to load, reboot the router, then renew your laptop's IP lease and flush the DNS cache. This often clears stale settings. If problems persist, contact your ISP with error details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.